A song of friendship and companionship. One of the first songs I learned back in the day growing up, dancing hula. Got started back in 1979. My teacher was the late Darryl Lupino in the Med of Wine Mapuna. That's when I could put on the model back in the day. The guys would agree. So, we'll share with you one of my favorites. With our ladies of Kawai Kali Namali in the middle of Kahula Livai, Kumu Hoa, a classic among many of our schools of hula. My sweet companion. Oh, in the moonlit night we shall stroll. Oh, A song of friendship.